Today we're going to be fixing a large dent on a Honda Ridgeline. Check it out. Customer came by a couple days ago and showed us this dent that he had in his door on his Honda Ridgeline. As you can see, this was a pretty big dent, and it shoved a lot of metal up that it even pushed that belt molding off, that it wasn't hardly staying on there. So we decided the paintless dent repair was going to be the best method. We told him it was only going to take us less than a day to do it, and we quoted a price, and he decided to pay out of pocket for this one instead of insurance. So we're going to start, we got the door panel off there, and we're going to use a blunt tip tool to get a majority of this moving first. And you're going to see here in a minute, it's actually going to have a little pop to it. That's not normal, but every once in a while we get a little lucky. So you'll see now a large amount's going to move very quickly. And then we spend the next several hours finishing up the fine tuning of it. So with that body line up, we was left with a decent sized dent there at the top of the door and still a high crown that we needed to tap down below that belt molding. And then we had a medium sized crease towards the bottom part of the door that was left. So you can see now on camera, we're moving it little by little through that upper body line, trying to get the shape of it back there. About 10 years ago, most paintless dent repair guys would have thought a dent like this was impossible. With all the new tools that have came out, big dents like this are starting to become the normal, and if you're not doing them, you're not going to be competitive in your market. Through this repair, you'll see we're going to continually warm it up to keep the paint nice and soft, so that way it'll move without cracking. And with every repair, the goal is to bring up the lows and to slowly tap down the highs to the point to where it's invisible for anybody to see. Now, not all dents like this are going to be fixable with paintless dent repair, or maybe there is going to be some paint that is cracked from the damage before. Our shop does facilitate doing paint repairs, so if there is a repair that does need a little bit of combination work, such as repainting of the door, that is a possibility through us, something that not everybody else does. I think this repair turned out awesome. I know the customer was extremely happy with it and glad he chose the paintless dent repair method. Let me know if you got any questions, and we'll see you on the next video.